Greetings. Much of my use of Moodle, right here, this is the Moodle assignment, is based on the principles laid down by Joseph Lancaster some time ago, a rather pragmatic man who used the confines of his resources to create a rather unique teaching method. Whether or not you agree with his life and what he represented as far as a Quaker, the ideas that he laid down are very similar to the ideas that you'll find today in most flat management organizations where everybody is responsible more or less for assisting each other. It became known as the Bell-Lancaster method, and it's also even more popularly known as peer tutoring. So Moodle, in the best situations, can be used very much to support that idea of the students supporting each other, as well the students participating in the educational process. That said, I want to show you how I use Moodle based on the Bell-Lancaster method, Joseph Lancaster, how I use that to improve upon my teaching processes. So let's take a look at what I do and how I do it, and we'll go to the 79 assignments. My students were given the responsibility of, as an extra credit assignment, to come up with questions related to technology, and they were supposed to upload text documents only, because the output, and you'll recognize it here in a moment. I'm going to open this with Firefox. I'm going to open this text document with Firefox, and I'll show you why. Click OK, and it loads. These are starred and multiple choice questions. These are gift formatted questions, and this is how this is the assignment, where they were to identify questions from the class and create these questions using the gift template that Miko Rasam, I believe, created for Word to help students and teachers create gift formatted questions. So the reason I opened it up with Firefox is because I have a nifty little tool called Quick Note from Jed Noteson. Send a quick note, and there is the document. So I can quickly go through my students' work, grab up the interesting pieces, and then save it straight from my browser into a text document. Very efficient, very speedy, and above all, helps me improve upon my database in terms of the materials available for my students, as well the added benefit of having students actually thinking about what it is they're learning, in so much that they have to come up with questions to demonstrate that they know how to ask the question and how to answer it. Again, going back very much to what Joseph Lancaster was talking about 150 years ago in terms of making the students more responsible for their learning and their learning process. Give it a shot. Moodle's free, Quick Note's free, Firefox is free, Advice is free, but I'll tell you that using this method has greatly increased my overall curriculum and the quality of the curriculum as well. Have fun and happy Moodling.